Hello, this story is called The Life Cycle of a Painted Lady Butterfly by Luis Padilla. Have you ever seen a painted lady butterfly? Well, like all butterflies, painted lady butterflies love to fly across open sunny fields filled with nectar-rich plants. The nectar from these plants is the perfect fuel for these busy creatures. But sometimes, painted lady butterflies do not always look like butterflies. What do you mean? Well, these are caterpillars. Before they can become butterflies, these tiny caterpillars must go through many big changes during their life cycle. Let's take a look. The first stage, there's the egg. The butterfly's life begins as a tiny egg laid on a leaf by a female butterfly. Painted lady butterfly eggs typically hatch within 3 to 5 days, depending on the temperature. The second stage, the caterpillar. Once the egg hatches, a very hungry caterpillar, also known as a larva, emerges. The caterpillar spends the next 10 to 14 days eating the leaves of their favorite host plant, mallow. The third stage, there's the chrysalis. After growing enough, the caterpillar will then find a safe space to form a chrysalis, or pupa. During this stage, the caterpillar wraps itself in a special shell. So, what happens inside a chrysalis? Typically in 7 days, a special liquid dissolves most of the caterpillar's body. From there, wings, legs, and other organs are made to transform the caterpillar into a butterfly. Lastly, the fourth stage, there's a butterfly. Finally, the chrysalis opens and a painted lady butterfly emerges. Now, the next 24 hours are very important. During this time, it must rest and wait for its wings to dry. Butterflies will then begin finding their food in nectar-rich plants. Have you seen up closely the tongue of a butterfly? Well, they use their long tongues, also known as the proboscis, to sip nectar from blooming flowers, which gives them the energy to fly and explore the world around them. Its bright yellow color tells predators, like birds, spiders, and lizards, they are poisonous to eat. However, that is just a trick. Painted lady butterflies are not poisonous. So, to wrap up the life cycle of a butterfly, it begins with the egg, the caterpillar, chrysalis, then the butterfly. From there, the life cycle continues. However, there's been a call for help for these butterflies. In recent times, things like pesticides, global warming, and a lack of flowers have made it hard for these butterflies to survive. These changes in our environment have decreased butterfly populations. How can we help painted lady butterflies? To help our butterfly friends, many things can be done. We can help by planting host plants like mallow and milkweed, and nectar-rich plants for butterflies at different stages of their life cycle. We can eliminate the use of pesticides in our gardens. To reduce global warming, we should manage our carbon footprint and waste. So, the next time you are outside, take a look around, for you may spot a painted lady butterfly. Thank you.